poster of Sirolili Festival 2022 circulated in social media. And Speaker Tokchom Satyaberta inaugurated OneE Services GT4's e-scooter and charging station today at Malong Bazaar. Hello, you're watching Pony TV English News, and this is Christina and now the news in detail. Sub-Inspector Tokchom Jitendro, who is the main accused on the date of Goldsmith Arambam Nanao, has been suspended from his post. However, it has been reported that Sub-Inspector Jitendro has absconded after suspension. Concerning the matter, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh says that an operation to hunt the absconded sub-inspector is in progress and a legal action will be taken against him. Police cannot take law in their hand, he added. Further, he talks about supporting the deceased family. A flag poster of the upcoming Sirolili Festival 2022 has been doing the round in social media platforms since 2nd May, said Tourism Director W. Ibohal Singh. The flag poster carries the logo of the Department of Tourism Government of Manipur and mentions the upcoming Sirolili Festival 2022 with images of the Hindu deity Sri Krishna at the front and Sirolili flowers. W. Ibohal Singh, Director of Tourism Department, clarified that the above-mentioned poster is fake and has not been issued by the Department of Tourism, Government of Manipur. The department is yet to release any such poster with proper use of logos and images. The public is therefore requested not to forward or upload the fake poster. Necessary action under the Copyright Act 1957 shall be initiated for circulation of such poster under the name of Sirolili Festival 2022 and for unauthorized use of the department logo. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Tokchom Satyaberta inaugurated OneE Services GT4's e-scooter and charging station today at Malong Bazaar. Speaking at the inauguration ceremony, Tokchom Satyaberta said the common people of Manipur are facing issues due to daily price rise of petroleum in the entire world. However, e-vehicles will not only give advantage to the common people of Manipur during this ongoing price hike of petroleum, but also will help in reducing the price of petroleum and even air pollution.
Masih support boyna aku matanda e-scooter jamana asina bawa geno khande adana mayam su masih try dausi aduga awon ma puraga environment kan humna ba rimale majority na petrol ba tangi ko ne na haidu ji sadar humna ba so ikona minasi na mujege.
Meanwhile, proprietor of OneE Services Ngangom Chitrajit said they have prepared to install more than 30 charging stations of e-scooter till end of May. The cost of charging the e-vehicle might be Rs 20 to 30 per hour. 5 vehicles, including 1 high-speed vehicles, are available at OneE Services and will give discount for media persons, he added.
Si launch of Wasida, Garibudi Mana Sina Kitang Masak Mato, Kitang Kena Bagi Haitare. Although I main when a charging station and a Malaktuisha, Sigi main when a cannot talk Zabania Taurisa, charging station Ziki Han Bay Fiesta, May Manung Sida charging station Kuntram Glakani, sometimes Sam Dimapur, Moirang, adagi Bishempur, Kakching, Thawbal, Pangjeng, Rim Store, Singmairom, Singjamai, adagi mayam ama sumaina lakani location se ko. First phase ki, second phase, first phase atumai lakani. Lairaga gari se ngaktang morsu charge tawraga lambi da thainagi samna da petrol hanbai type ta mayam se awaba ma da lambi da petrol loithokradi gari charge loithokradi haiba adugi keno do. Aduda tawjabani mase ado government gi support yaude CDI isana invest tawraga tawjabani. Amutang pung ama gumba charge tawuda lupa kun gumba maximum kun kuntra haitare ko. Adumaina koi plan tawriya.
Chief Functionary of IWC DCNE Mangsatabam demanded to take legal against those accused involved in beating female staffs of the Sign Drug Treatment Center and Childline. Concerning on the matter, a press meet was held today at Sign Integrated Rehabilitation Center for Addicts in Thangmiban, Yumnam Laikai. Speaking to the media, NE Mangsatabam said over 12,000 clients have treated at this rehabilitation center. The center has been running smoothly for more than 32 years under the theme of Human Life Saves, but there was a court case for Lane which is at sub judice at the moment. She said around 70 people entered the center without permission on April 30 and asked to all the clients residing at the center to leave and started beating up female staffs. Police were called to control the situation and an FIR was lodged, and all those accused involved in the incident are captured in CCTV. She appealed to take legal action against proprietor of Punya Hyundai, Punya Honda, Punya Toyota, Kia, ND Mansatabam, General Manager RK Prem, Manager CH Kanan, Service Manager L Popa, and others involved in the incidents. Co-convener of Fingodapt K. Maharabi and coordinator of Childline in Fal West, Babika, were also present at the press meet.
Moi mapuna katang hairat pani moi mapok Hyundai gi, Honda gi, Kia gi, Toyota gi, moi gi mapok sina hairat pani moi gi padma gi order din laga tawri ni adu budi it's all CCTV footage ka apoi keno ji hawudani loibak 9:15 taina 2:12 hogi 2:15 hogi 2:30 hogi video coverage CCTV coverage is there. I know it will be based on facts and figures only. As my talk I know you have no right. I threw them out of this campus. I concern see I sentence nupa nipu matoy malayin agar client ko. I start mayam yong nupa kun we are also not that weak. We had an orientation program on that day. Program staff we are also more than 80 people. But I think I don't have the show you respect of
Royal Riders Manipur will observe 12 Mahausa Imaning Singtha for a month. Speaking at the press meet held today at Manipur Press Club, President of Royal Riders Manipur RK Tombi said, Mahausa Imaning Singtha on the theme of Only One Earth will begin tomorrow and continue till June 5. A tree plantation will be held at various schools and colleges in 3 districts in Fal East, Bisnupur and Kangpokpi. On the first day of the event, he said, a program of Langol, Rains, family camping and sport painting competition for the student will be held throughout the month. A fire broke out at Laimatak Power Station in Bisnupur district at around 4 p.m. However, the cause of the fire is not yet known. A special commando unit of Kabaysoy apprehended 2 vehicles lifted from Kongba, Uchekon, Kuno in Fal East yesterday at around 3:55 p.m. A team of Special Commando Unit Kabaysoy led by Special Commando Unit Kabaysoy OC LB Bekananda Singh and under the overall guidance of Superintendent of Police, Railway and ICMPSTH CHRISTINA Tombi Singh conducted a search operation at Kongba area and arrested 1 person, namely Lystrom Ibungo Singh, age 27 years, son of Let LG Singh of Kongba Uchikon in Fal East, and while questioning, he admitted as vehicle lifter with one Pangambam Dinesh Singh, aged 35 years, son of Let P. Jadumani Singh of Kongba Uchikon near Social Youth United Club SYUC in Fal East. During house searching of Dinesh Singh, the Special Commando team recovered one laptop, two Android mobile phones, and one Apache two-wheeler and many vehicles engine. The arrested person, along with the seized items, has been handed over to Irilbung Police Station for further necessary legal action. Time for a short break. Stay tuned. Welcome after the break. BJP Union Minister of Tourism, Culture and Donor G. Kisan Reddy arrived at Sendra yesterday and a trial boating experience in Loktak Lake. Various high-ranking government officials also accompanied him in the visit. The Union Minister was mesmerized by the stunning view and unmatched tranquility of the lake. Later, he also visited INA Museum in Moirang and paid floral tributes to the statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose at the INA Museum complex. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh inaugurated the first of its kind 10-bedded ICU ward and tele-ICU hub in Jennings yesterday. Speaking at the inauguration ceremony, CM said the new ICU beds will immensely help in serving the patients in Jennings, and also the tele-ICU hub will provide seamless tele-consulting facilities in the remote areas of Manipur. The inauguration ceremony was attended by ministers, MLAs, senior government officials, doctors, nurses, and other staffs of Jennings. Forms for purchasing farm machineries such as tractor, power tiller, rotavator, rice mill, etc. under Department of Agriculture is out, and the form will be available at all district agriculture offices. The last date of the form submission is May 13. Lok Jana Shakti Party Ram Vilas National President Youth Wing Pranab Kumar appointed Wangkhay Rakpam Sriman Singh of Nongmeibung, Wangkhay Rakpam Laikai as National General Secretary and in charge of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Manipur of Lok Jana Shakti Party Ram Vilas Youth Wing. Wangkhay Rakpam Sriman said he will try to bring empowerment to the youth of Northeast and will try to upgrade skill development and personality development so that the youth will be self-employed and distance themselves from the drugs. On the day of Eid, a political tussle began between BJP and Aam Aadmi Party, with Delhi BJP Chief Adesh Gupta writing a letter to Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal demanding removal of loudspeakers from religious places because of noise pollution. Reacting to the BJP's demand, AAP said it will definitely oppose the move. However, after a tussle between the two parties, AAP issued a statement that AAP is principle agrees with the concept of repealing loudspeakers from every religious institutions and urged BJP to seek action on the same from the Delhi police. Doctors in Delhi's top hospital expect the surge in coronavirus cases in the national capital to peak in 10 to 15 days and then gradually come down. The city has been reporting more than 1,000 new cases of COVID-19 every day for over 2 weeks now. Lok Nayak Jai Prakash Narayan Hospital LNJP, which was declared the first COVID-19 medical facility, is seeing admission of 1 or 2 COVID patients every day. MD and LNJP Hospital Suresh Kumar said that most of the cases are mild and seeing more of sore throat, cold, cough, upper respiratory infections, which in majority cases get better on the 3rd day. Assam police seized cough syrup valued worth Rs 35 lakh from a vehicle and arrested its driver from Churaibari in Assam's Karimganji district near the Assam-Tripura interstate border on Monday night. Sources said the cough syrup was seized during a routine check near Churaibari police checkpost about 110 km from Silchar at about 9 p.m. on Monday night. A vehicle registration number AS01MC0386, which was heading to Tripura from Guwahati, was stopped near the checkpost and while checking seized at least 10,155 bottles of cough syrup which were about to be smuggled to the neighboring state of Tripura in the vehicle. The arrested driver has been identified as Aditya Rabha, age 45, from Nalapari Boka in Kamrup district. Before we end the bulletin, once again the top news headlines. Accused sub-inspector on Arambam Nanao murder case absconded. A fake poster of Siri Lily Festival 2022 circulated in social media. Speaker Tokjom Satyaberta inaugurated OneE Services GT4's e-scooter and charging station today at Malong Bazar. Thank you for watching Pony TV English News.